Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of customer credit system for Magento 2. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be taking you through the backend configuration of this extension. And after that, we'll be showing you how this extension works. And we'll also be showing you how to assign credit to a particular customer and the checkout process at the front end. But before that, let me tell you what this extension actually does is that using this extension, the store administrator or the store admin would be able to assign credit amount to a customer or a customer group. It depends upon if you want to assign the credit amount to a particular customer group, then you can assign that credit amount to a particular customer group. Else, if you want to assign the credit amount to a particular customer only, then you can do that as well. Apart from that, the assigned credit amount can be used by the customers for purchasing the store products, and from the backend, the admin can view all the transactions done by the customer via the credit system. So let's get ahead and let's see what the different module configuration settings are there within this extension. And for that, we'll be navigating to the admin backend panel first. So I have already logged into my admin backend panel, and after logging in, I'll have to navigate through stores, configuration, and on the configuration page under the webcool block, we have the customer credit system, and here we have two sections and two settings are there. The very first setting that we have is assign credit to customer group. Now here what the admin can do is admin can create various number of groups as per its requirement, and after that the admin can assign credit to the selected customer group. That way the credit would be the entered credit would be assigned to that particular group. The admin can also delete that assigned credit that has been assigned to a particular group, and the admin can also add more customer groups and can assign the credit to them. So that was about the first section that we have. So that was about the assign credit to customer group. After that, we have pay credit by admin. So here we need to select the payment method from the drop down, and here the admin can select the offline payment method for paying the customer credit from the admin panel on behalf of the customer. So the admin needs to select a payment method from the drop down, and only the offline methods would be available here. So after making these two settings, the first one was that the admin has to select a customer group and can directly assign the entered credit amount to that group and to multiple groups as well as per his requirement, and can also delete if he wants to delete them. And after that, the admin has to select a payment method so as to make the customer credit from the admin panel on behalf of the customer. So after making these two configurations, you just need to have to save the configuration. And after saving the configuration, the admin needs to configure the webcool credit system, and for that you need to just navigate through sales and payment methods, and under the payment methods you just need to navigate down. Under the other payment methods, you'll find the webcool credit system. So let's go through each of the options that are there. So this webcool credit system payment method would be available at the checkout page to the customers, so as to make use of the credit provided by the admin for purchasing the products within the Magento 2 web store of the admin. So under the webcool credit system, the very first option that we have is enable this payment method. So here the admin can enable or disable this payment method for use at the checkout page. After that, we have the payment method title. So the admin can enter the payment method's title, and this title would be visible to the customers at the checkout page while selecting the payment method. After that, we have the option that says payment from applicable countries. So here the admin can choose two options from. One is the all allowed countries. If you selected all allowed countries, then the payment would be then the admin would be able to receive the payment from all of the applicable countries that are there. Otherwise, if the admin wants to receive payment from specific countries only, then the admin needs to select the specific countries, and then under the option that says payment from specific countries, the admin can select the specific countries from which the admin wants to receive the payment. So that was about the payment from applicable countries. So for now, I'll be selecting this option as all allowed countries, and all allowed countries. And after that, we have the option that says allow payment method to add amount in credit. Now here the admin can select the payment methods for the customer to repay the used credit amount. So whichever payment method is selected here, that would be available to the customer so as to make up for the credit amount that the admin has put in the credit account of the customer. So that was that. And lastly, we have the sort order, and the admin can set the sort order for the payment method to display at the front end. So that was much about this Webcool credit system payment method. So after making the settings under the Webcool block for the customer credit system and the payment methods, just need to click the save configuration button to save the configuration for this extension. So that was much about the configuration settings for the customer credit system for Magento 2. So we have already shown you the backend configuration of this extension, and we showed you how to assign credit to customer group, how the admin can select the payment method for adding the credit to the customer account, and we also showed you how to set up the payment method for the customers that was the Webcool credit system, so that the customers would be able to select the Webcool credit system at the checkout page to make the payments for the products that they are going to purchase from your Magento 2 web store. And so that was it for today's video. In the next video, we will be showing you how to assign credit to a particular customer. We'll be showing you the customer end. We'll be showing you the checkout process, and we'll be showing you how the customer would be able to make payment using the admin credit that he has received, and much more. So that was all for this video today. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ueds.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.